In this video, I will be showing you how to replace the control knob on a Zanussi cooker. Remember to work safely by disconnecting the appliance before attempting any repair. I'm going to make sure the knob is in the 0 position, as this helps locate it more easily. There should be enough room to get your fingers behind the knob and pull towards you to remove. When fitting the new one, we can see it has a D shaft, which locates onto the switch. But remember, we left it at 0, so we know the correct position, and push it back on. Control knob on a Zanussi cooker done. Watch our other helpful videos and subscribe to our channel.